Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a file on the Sketches application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, that's my canvas, and just go to the upper left corner of the home screen, click to the three dots, and you can find the arrow. Click that, and you can select the gallery or the photos or different apps that you use. Just select one, and you can allow that, and you can use and add different files. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.